How to record your cookie commercial. By the end of this video, you will know everything needed to record a small commercial. First, let's talk about location. There are many possible locations you could film your commercial. Consider shooting in the following locations. If you choose to shoot in your home, think about including a poster board as a backdrop. If you're thinking of shooting outside, natural lighting on a good day can lead to a great looking video. Consider shooting somewhere tied to your goal. Making it personal is an effective way to connect with an audience. Or use a green screen. If your background is all a similar shade of green, it can be replaced with any other background during the editing process. Next up is composition. Composition is how the elements of a photo or video are arranged. When framing your video, have your subject stand to one of the sides of the composition instead of standing directly in the center. Also, avoid cropping at major joints, such as the elbows or the knees. For a cropped, medium shot, frame your shot just above the subject's knees. Let's talk about headroom. Headroom is the amount of space above your subject's head. Too much space isn't good, so make sure that you're leaving only a small amount of airy space above your subject's head. Let's talk about lighting. Not everyone has professional lighting, but you always have the outdoors. If you are filming outdoors and the sun is out, put the sun behind the subject. The sun acts like a backlight and helps separate the subject from the background and provide a three-dimensional look. Now, if it's a cloudy day, you're also in luck. Cloudy days are better for even lighting, as you won't need to worry about any weird shadows on the face. What do you need to worry about for audio? Well, be sure to speak clearly and loudly. Try filming in a quiet area with little to no background noise. If you happen to have a dedicated microphone, use that instead of a built-in microphone, and you'll get some better quality audio. If you don't have any dedicated audio devices, don't worry. Do your best with what you have, and everything will be fine. Here are a few tips and tricks on filming videos. Use a teleprompter on a laptop or computer located directly above or below the camera. By placing it so close to the camera, it becomes less noticeable that you are reading off of a screen. Film more than one take. Choose the best one and send it to us for the editing session. Speak with confidence. Confidence is key when selling anything. Film using widescreen. If you're filming using a cell phone or other mobile device, be sure it is filming horizontally instead of vertically. Make sure that your background is clean and clear. The subject of the video should be you, not your background. Consider using a tripod or some form of stabilization. This will keep the camera from being shaky and will cause the end product to look cleaner. Now, you have all the tools you need to record your own commercial. There is additional information, including advanced tips and tricks, found on our website. Once you have your video recorded, you're ready to move on to the next video: how and where to upload your cookie commercial.